The AIM ECU on the 22500 is a game changer, way better than the Vortex in my opinion, but have to have aftermarket exhaust and Euro air boot to run it. Interesting. Yeah, so I talked to some of the guys out west that they rent bikes and stuff, and I've asked them, if you could choose one motorcycle to keep in your fleet, you could only have one for rentals, which one? And they say, oh, that's easy. It's the 500 EXC. And you ask them why, and they say because those bikes, one, they've got enough power for anybody, but they're pretty mild off the hit, even stock. But they say the thing is with an ECU with those bikes, you can make that bike feel like almost like a 450 MX bike with enough mods, or you can make it feel like a 125. Like you can tone it down, detune it to whatever you want. So these ECUs on these new bikes have given us the ability to adjust a bike like that for any type of rider. Plus, you get the longevity out of that 500 engine, way more than if you were trying to rent out 250s, so it's a pretty cool machine.